Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the review of TestSprite AI. TestSprite is an AI-driven platform that automates the entire software testing lifecycle, encompassing test planning, code generation, execution, and debugging. It's designed to enhance efficiency and reduce manual effort. It supports both front-end and back-end testing. TestSprite automatically creates test plans and generates corresponding test code based on user-provided documentation and natural language inputs, minimizing the need for manual test creation. The platform supports comprehensive testing for both front-end UI and back-end API, ensuring through validation across the application. After executing tests, TestSprite analyzes failures, identifies root causes, and provides detailed reports with suggested fixes, streamlining the debugging process. TestSprite integrates smoothly with existing development workflows and continuous integrations or continuous deployment pipelines, facilitating efficient and automated testing cycles. The platform automates the entire testing process from test creation to execution and debugging, reducing manual intervention and associated errors. By automating testing tasks, TestSprite can accelerate the testing process, potentially reducing testing time by up to 1,000 times. Automating tests can lead to substantial cost savings, with some users reporting reductions in testing expenses by up to 90%. As TestSprite is currently in its beta phase, some features may be limited or still under development, which could affect overall functionality. Being a relatively new entrant in the market, TestSprite has a limited track record, and its long-term reliability and performance are yet to be fully established. So overall, TestSprite presents a promising solution for automating software testing, offering features that can enhance efficiency and reduce costs. So basically, this is the review of TestSprite AI. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.